So in this video, I'll be combining both the take profit and the stop loss, so you understand what the both of them actually mean. Okay, so what is take profit? So take profit is a type of limit order that will specify the exact price at which you close out an open position for a profit. So what this does is that you will just set a limit order and it will be sent to your broker. So whenever price gets to that point, you automatically exit the trade with your gains, with your profit, with your money that you have made from the market. Okay, so take profit orders are exit orders that you can set to automatically close a position if it reaches a specified price. So for stop loss orders, stop loss order is the order that you also send to your broker to close out the trade if the price gets to a particular level. Okay, so before entering a trade, you have to always know where you will exit in case the trade goes against you. Your stop loss must be at a location where if it is reached, it will invalidate your trading setup or your trading idea. Maybe you say you want to buy, but then after pressing the buy button, all of a sudden the trade started selling instead of buying. So if this goes against you, it invalidates your trading ideas, meaning it just means that the price hits your stop loss, which automatically means that you are wrong. Okay, so usually stop loss are placed right outside the chart pattern or around a support or resistance level, of which I'll be talking about that in subsequent videos. So let's quickly open our trading view. So we are going to learn how to actually place your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, and then we'll be using our mt5 to also place, copy the numbers and then place it on our mt5, our take profit and our stop loss. Okay, so I'll be showing you this on a practical level. Okay, so you'll be able to understand it. Okay, so this is our mt5, and remember we're on GBP USD, right? We're on GBP USD, so I'll be opening the chart on GBP USD. And then how do you set your take profits on this market? So right now, what I'll just do is to go to this place. You see the plus button, tap on the plus button, and I'll be using a small lot size, which is the micro lot size, which is 0.01, right? So market execution. So you see stop loss is written here, take profit is written here. So I'll first of all set my stop loss, which is at where my stop loss is 1.28736, right? So 1.28736, and my take profit is where 1.28500. 1.28499 is here, but then I'll just put 500. 1.28500. So I'll be selling the market right now. I will press the sell button. So right now you see from our entry point now has changed. It's no longer 1.28648 again. It's now what? As you can see it here, it says 1.28629, right? So we'll come to our trading view and then we'll just double click on it and then go to the inputs, and then our entry point will now be 1.28629, right? 1.28629, and then we hit OK. So right now, how many pips are we risking in this trade? We are risking how many pips? 10 pips. We're risking 10 pips on this trade, and we're making how many pips? 13 pips. We're making 13 pips on this trade. Okay, so when price gets to this point, where these candles now get to this point, when it start coming down and it hits this point, then our broker will close us out with profit. Okay, but when it goes up, it keeps going up and then it hits this point, our broker will close us with a loss. That means we have lost in the market. So how much are you willing to lose in this trade? This is 10 pips. So if you say we are having, so right now you can see this is $36 in my account, right? We have $36 in my account. So I'm using the micro lot size. So if I'm going to lose on this trade, I'll be losing just how many? Just $1 I'll be losing on this trade. Just $1 I'll be losing on this particular trade. And if the trade goes in my favor and it hits my take profits, I'll be also making $1.30. Okay, so I hope you understand what take profits and stop loss means. So all you have to do is to practice using the demo account and using your mt5 as well. So I hope you have understood these concepts and you will be able to do it as well. So thanks for watching again, and then I'll catch you in the next video.